Hi, Kenny with One Source RV. Today we're going to be talking about VIAIR vehicle-specific air compressors. They're specific for travel trailers, Class A's, Class B's. This one is specific for a Class A, which is what's behind me. We're going to unbox this and show you how it works. Let's get into it. Alright, so now we're going to unbox our VIAIR compressor. Looks like it comes nicely packaged. Got a little heft to it, it's pretty heavy. Our manuals. Air filter pads. Looks like we got an air inflator and a gauge. An extender. I can't believe how heavy this thing is. Got a lot of weight to it. I would assume it's well built. Let's see if there's more stuff in here. There's our coiled air hose. We have more coiled air hose. This looks like all of the contents. That being said, I say we stop, hook everything up, and show you how it works. Alright, so we've got everything unboxed. One thing that's very important, make sure you remove the plastic plug and screw in your air filter. We've got our air filter hooked up. Now we need to hook it to a 12-volt source, which I have my engine battery here. I'm going to go ahead and hook up. We have 12 volt. Now we'll move over to our tire. And with our rear duals, this comes with this that you can use for your gauge. I'm going to check the pressure in my inner dual, 110 pounds. My outer dual, just under 100 pounds. Yes, I let the air out of it so I could test this compressor. So what you'll want to do is hook up the inflator, the flexible inflator, to your gauge here. Hook one of our coil hoses up, which there's two of them to reach anywhere on this coach. Hook it to the gauge. And this threads right onto the valve stem. Screw it on tight, and I can see my pressure. Now I'm going to turn the compressor on, and just in case it's loud and you can't hear me, I'm going to see how quick it takes for me to air this tire up. It's actually pretty quiet. States on the box it'll inflate to 120 psi in 4 minutes. As you can see, we're right at about our 110 pounds. The compressor shuts off when there's no demand. I'm pretty impressed with VIAIR at this point. I think it's a very good product. I'd recommend it to anyone that's traveling, because you never know when you might need to add air to a tire. Thank you for watching. So after we demoed the VIAIR vehicle-specific compressor. I had someone ask me how well it would work at inflating a inner tube or a raft. So we got one. Let's give it a shot. There's little plastic fittings that come with it to inflate these, along with a little metal fitting for inflating like a basketball or something. Let's see how it does. Not a bad job. And if I know my cameraman correctly, this was real fast because he hates dead airspace, and he sped it up so he didn't have to wait the whole time it inflated. But it was pretty quick for a portable compressor. Thanks for watching.